Google just dropped 4 updates to Gemini that turn your entire workspace into an AI employee. And I am not talking about a chatbot you check in with once a day. I am talking about an agent that drafts your emails, pulls files across your drive, writes reports, and handles multi-step workflows while you are doing something else. The tool is called Gemini Spark. It runs inside Google Workspace for anyone with a Google AI Pro or Ultra subscription. Most automation platforms charge you $70 a month just to connect 2 apps. This thing connects everything you already use natively without needing third-party automation tools. At the end of this video, I am going to show you the one workflow setup that makes this feel like you hired someone overnight. Not an exaggeration, a system. You are going to want to stick around for that. I am Paul James. I build AI systems that replace expensive software for solo operators and freelancers who need leverage without the overhead. And if you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below. I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money. Here is what nobody is saying about these Gemini updates. Most automation and AI writing platforms charge monthly before you have landed your first client. If you are starting from nothing, those bills add up fast. I know, that pressure. I was working out of my brother's garage with no budget and no clients. A $70 monthly bill before the first invoice was not something I could absorb. That is why tools like Gemini Spark and Gemini Notebook matter. They give you similar capabilities without adding expensive third-party automation software on top of what you already use. This is what I call the embedded agent framework. Instead of paying for another platform to connect your tools, the AI works across the Google tools you already use. It can help draft emails, find relevant files, organize information, and move through multi-step tasks without forcing you to jump between apps. The model is designed for planning, tool use, and multi-step tasks. For a service business, that means it can keep track of several pieces of information without losing the thread halfway through. Gemini Spark takes that model and integrates it directly into Gmail, Docs, Sheets, and Drive. You can tell Spark to draft an email to a client, and it will check your previous conversations, pull context from a doc you wrote last week, and write the email in your voice. You can tell it to update a spreadsheet with data from 5 different sources. You can tell it to build a slide deck summarizing a report. It does not ask for clarification unless it genuinely needs it. It just runs. Think about what this means for someone offering email marketing to local businesses. 1 session, 3 client inboxes. Spark drafts the follow-up sequence for each one based on their previous campaigns and the goals you fed it last month. That sequencing used to require a paid email platform and manual work building every message. With this stack, it happens in under an hour without paying extra software seat fees. That is a $300 setup fee built on an integrated workspace stack. Let's keep building. Gemini Notebook is the second piece. You can add documents, PDFs, links, videos, and other research sources, then use the notebook to analyze that information and create reports. Once you build a useful research structure, you can reuse the same approach for future clients instead of starting from zero every time. Now, here is where this gets actually useful for someone running a real service business. Most people take what I just showed you and try to hand it to a client. That is where it falls apart. There is one thing you have to configure first, or it looks amateur. I am walking you through that right now. You need to connect Spark to actual client deliverables. For lead generation, it could pull a lead list from Drive, compare it with a CRM export, and draft reactivation emails based on previous contact. Set the workflow up once, then reuse it without paying for extra middleware. Here is the scenario. A local chiropractor wants to show up in the Google Maps pack. You use Gemini Notebook to research the top 3 competitors in their market. You drop in their websites, their Google business profiles, and any local directory listings you can find. Notebook analyzes all of it and gives you a breakdown of what they are doing for citations, reviews, and content. That used to take a full day of manual tab switching. With this stack, it takes 30 minutes. You charge $400 a month for that ongoing optimization work. The tool costs you nothing extra beyond what you are already using. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money. And if you want to see what my day looks like now that tools like these handle most of the heavy lifting, I have a vlog channel linked in the description below. Here is what this looks like for a solo operator running custom knowledge bases for small businesses. A plumbing company has 20 employees who keep asking the same questions about scheduling, invoicing, and service protocols. You use Gemini Notebook to pull in their existing training docs, standard operating procedures, and frequently asked questions notes. Notebook builds a searchable knowledge base that answers questions in real time. You set it up once, charge a $500 setup fee, and a small monthly retainer to keep it updated. Most knowledge-based platforms charge the business directly and lock you out of the process. Your version keeps you in the loop and costs the client nothing beyond what they are paying you. The third update is the Pixel 11 phone integration. This matters because it moves Gemini from reactive to proactive. Reactive AI waits for you to ask a question. Proactive AI anticipates what you need before you ask. The phone has a feature called Rambler. You record a messy, unstructured voice note just talking through an idea, and Rambler converts it into formatted text, clean sentences, organized structure, ready to paste into an email or a doc. If you are managing social media for a client and you are driving between appointments, you can dictate 3 caption ideas into Rambler and have them formatted before you get home. No transcription platform required, no editing required. It just works. Magic Capture records photos and video at the same time, which can help when creating social content. Live Transcribe can also convert American Sign Language into real-time text, showing how Gemini is expanding into accessibility. The fourth update is Weather Next 2. This is an AI weather forecasting model. It generates hundreds of weather scenarios in about 1 minute per scenario. It provides hourly forecasts, and it is integrated into Google Search, the Gemini app, Pixel Weather, and Google Maps. Okay, I promised you something at the start of this video. Here it is, the one workflow setup that makes Gemini Spark feel like you hired someone overnight. Go into your Google Workspace settings and enable Gemini across Gmail, Docs, and Sheets. Then, create a master doc that lists every recurring task you handle for clients. Email follow-ups, report generation, data pulls, social post drafts, whatever repeats. Save that doc in a shared folder Spark can access. Now, when a task comes up, you just tell Spark to reference the master doc and execute. It knows the format, it knows the structure. It does not ask you to re-explain every time. That one doc turns Spark from a chatbot into a system. Most people never set that up. They just ask it questions and wonder why it feels slow. You now know better. Imagine what your next 30 days look like once you have this running in your stack. A client emails asking for an updated lead list. Spark pulls it, formats it, and sends it back before you open your inbox. Another client needs their monthly SEO report. Notebook generates it from the data you collected last week and outputs a slide deck ready to present. A third client wants social content. You ramble 3 ideas into your phone on the way to lunch, and they are formatted and ready to schedule by the time you sit down. That is not a fantasy workflow. That is what happens when you stop paying for separate middleware platforms and start using a connected stack that runs right where your work lives. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money.